Our coverage of Colorado tonight starts with a weather alert. There are damaging winds from Alamosa to Denver. In Wash Park, your reporter Jessica Vandam shared these pictures of that tree on a car there. Another one blocks the road. In Alamosa, the wind is so bad, roads are closed because the dust is actually blinding the drivers.
Strong gusts blame for a fire that spread through a Castle Rock neighborhood. 7 homes are damaged. We're going to have a live report from that scene in just a few minutes.
All flights this hour are now delayed out at the airport, DIA. The wind is so strong the planes are having a hard time landing.
And 30,000 Excel customers are without power right now. Makenzie O'Keefe live near 20th and Curtis. And Makenzie, it's dangerous outside.
Yeah, Don, these winds are so strong that I think using the word strong is a little bit of an understatement. Now, here off of 20th and Curtis, what's left of an accident, you can see this pile of metal behind me. That was a light pole that actually crashed down on top of a car earlier this afternoon. I do want to show you what that looked like when that accident happened. Now, the driver I spoke to, she said she was just stopped here at this red light, and she didn't even have time to really think about what was happening. At 1 minute, she was at a stop. The next, she heard a loud crash, and her windshield completely shattered. Now, these winds out here were so strong that this street light pole was completely uprooted. Denver Public Works, Excel, and police all blocked off this intersection while they cleaned up this mess. They recently just got that car towed out of the area. Now, the driver is okay. That's the good news. She says she was understandably shaken up, but not physically hurt at all.
I don't think I had time to think. I was just in shock. I was just, holy crap. Just got out of the car and just kind of took in everything for a second. I'm glad nothing happened to me because I can only imagine if something had happened to me, it'd be a lot worse.
Now, that is the good news, is that she is doing okay, but this wasn't the only issue. All downtown, they've been having issues this afternoon. Trees toppling over, these light poles falling over, and even tiles off of roofs. So if you are in the area, you're out here driving, just make sure to be cautious and just keep an eye out with these winds because they are really strong out here. Reporting live in Denver, Makenzie O'Keefe, covering Colorado First.
Some incredible pictures. Makenzie, thank you.